All right, get it in here, get it in here. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, today we're going to see on how to do the inside cornrows. Yes, the inside cornrows. Like as I told you that inside cornrows, it is very good. Like it is very nice since it lasts longer than these other cornrows. It's just because whenever the hair grows, it grows from inside. So that's why I like to I say that it is very good. So I would like you also to try on these kind of tricks on how to do it, because it is going to help you in doing your things when it comes to do these cornrows on the crochets. Yes, you will have to try it out, and trust me, it's going to work for you, so that you can also prove it yourself. That is very good. And I'd like to welcome all the return subscribers. If it's your first time to be on my channel, please, you're very welcome, and I'd like you to give me your attention so that we can do this. And please, if it's your first time, click on that red button and ring that bell. Yes, you'll be the first person to watch all the videos that I be uploading every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And remember, we do different types of hairstyles. So let's get on this one. When you do the inside cornrows, try to make your lines sharp. Yes, first try to make your lines sharp, and when your lines are supposed to be pointed, you understand what I'm saying? Like they have to be with that sharp beginning. So when you're starting, I will always start with these small threads, or if you have a small kinky, you can start with it. You can see, and then you start this way, just like that. Yes, you first plait the hair only, just like that. So I heard people saying that threads breaks hair, but it's just the way you start. Because for me, I believe that all hairstyles can break hair as long as you plait them badly. So the only thing you can do is just try to be very careful when you're trying to do this. So this is how you have to start. You can see how you keep on adding and adding. You add from inside, just like that, and then you plait. You can see how it is. You just keep on adding from inside, and here it's according to the hair, the length of your cornrows, the way you want them to be. So like here, I'm trying to add the same volume. Yes, the same volume. And if I try to see that my cornrow is trying to be the same as the other one, I can stop adding, and then I keep on braiding the way you can see, the way I'm doing. And this is how you do it. So as you plait, it's now here, it is looking up, but when you're done plaiting, you just have to turn it the way you can see, because it's always turn itself sometimes. Yes, it turns itself to be inside, just like that. Yeah, I'm trying to be speedy here because I always want to not jump the important things, because I know some of you guys, you just keep on skipping, but the other sensitive things that you'd like to learn. So try to see it in this angle, the way I add on. You can see how I'm doing it. You just add on like that from inside, And this one, you don't separate the hair like the way we always do, making the line and then you separate that same hair. You separate it into two portions. You don't do it. This one, after cutting the line, it's always on one side and then you start plaiting. So you should note that. Yes, and then you just keep on plaiting this way, adding from inside. Trust me, I know it's a bit it's somehow tricky and it's a bit difficult, but if you just keep on practicing it, trust me, you're going to learn it and you'll be able to plait it very soon. So I always advise you that whenever you see something, please try to do the practice, because it's what makes you perfect. So you can see how I'm keeping on adding, and as I told you that you should always add the same size when you're plating. You just keep on adding the same size. Yes, but trust me, this cornrow is very, very nice and it lasts longer. So this is how it is. Yes, talking about the lines being sharp, you can see it from here. And remember, we start with our threads and you just have to keep on cutting it. You can see here, like, I'm not showing you, I'm showing you that the line is very sharp, as you can see, and it is on one side. Like I said, we don't separate it like the way we always do these other cornrows. Yes, and we don't plait it in the middle. Yes, the way we can do the yarn cornrow and these other ones, we just do it from the side. So like when you're done doing it, from the side, you turn it so that it can be inside. So that's why I say that these kind of cornrow last longer, just because the hair keeps on growing from inside. Yes, just keeps on growing from inside. So this is how we do it. This is how it looks, and trust me, you will have to love it. And I would like to shout out to everyone who is watching me. If you know you're in Canada, I love you so much. Those ones in the United States of America, those ones in the United Kingdom, those ones in France. Yes, I love you so much. And I can't forget those ones in Germany, Oman, United Emirates. Yes, we love you so much, and thank you so much for watching me and always liking my work. And very soon we are going to start watching some live, so that we also see the things live and see all the material that we already use on some hairstyles. Yes, so you try to keep on that, and the only thing you can do is just to click on that red button, ring the bell, yes, so that you watch all those. So for now, I'm going to sign out, and please trust me, you're going to love this. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. You see how I'm turning it? Yes, that is how it looks. Yes.